Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I wanted to show you my newest kitchen appliance. It's from the Drew Barrymore Beautiful Kitchenware set. It's the extra large electric griddle. It's 12 inches by 22 inches. It has a premium Quantum 2 non-stick coating. It's fully immersible for easy cleaning. You can make breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the whole family on it. It also has a detachable steel backsplash and slim design for easy cabinet storage. The color that I have is white icing, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it. Okay guys, so here is our griddle. As you can see, it has the bee on it, the gold bee. It has a tray to catch any grease. It's removable. You have your instruction manual. This is the detachable backsplash, and you also have your temperature probe. So the temperature probe, it goes from 200 to 400 degrees. So right here on the side, this is where you would plug it up at. Just like that. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and make some turkey bacon on here and see how it cooks. Okay guys, so I have it set to 350 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Okay, now I'm going to add my slices of turkey bacon on. It heats up quickly, so we're going to see just how good it cooks. Okay guys, so our bacon is done. I turned off the griddle and I'm satisfied with it. Everything came out nice and crispy. Okay guys, so cleanup was very easy on this and I'm 100% satisfied. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.